Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I will show you how to unlock your iPhone with your voice. You usually unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID or by entering the correct passcode. In addition to this, there is an accessibility setting that lets you unlock your iPhone using your voice. All you have to do is set up the voice command in the voice control feature and then say that phrase to unlock and get inside the iPhone. In this guide, we will show you how to do that. First thing you should do is probably change your passcode to a 4-digit passcode. This will make it easier. Here are the initial steps to set up voice unlock on iPhone with home button and Face ID. First, you have to open settings, scroll down and tap accessibility. Tap on voice control and enable voice control from the next screen. You will see a blue microphone icon at the top of the screen. If you have never used this feature, tap Set Up Voice Control and follow the basic on-screen instructions. Tap on Customize Commands. Then create new command. Type the voice phrase using which you would like to unlock the iPhone. Unlock my iPhone. Next, tap Action. Tap on Run Custom Gesture. You are now on the new gesture creation screen. Now on the lock screen here, obviously you see the number iPad here. When you go to unlock your device, you see the number pad. Now all I have to do is tap on the screen where my numbers are. Then swipe up to unlock here and just mark where those numbers lie so that I can remember that pattern. Then we are gonna go and unlock the iPhone just like that, and we are gonna go into custom gesture here. And as you can see right here, I am going to go ahead and tap on the numbers. So that's gonna be the gesture, and then we are going to go ahead and click save right here. We are gonna go back and click save. My pattern is all set. Now we can go to the lock screen and try to unlock our iPhone using our voice. Let's try that. Unlock my iPhone. Just like so, my iPhone unlocked using my voice. This was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel to get more new iPhone videos like that. Thanks for watching.